In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can use prompt engineering in a platform called Claude and prompt your designs and then make sure that those designs come as editable Canva designs so that you can be able to get good and precise Canva graphic designs, right? A lot of people struggle with this. So I'm going to teach you now, and please, if you find this video useful, please drop a thumbs up, follow, like, subscribe, share the video, and let's get right into it. The first two things that you need to do, to get this started is, number one, get your Claude account. Number two, get a Canva account, because we are going to be linking these two accounts together. Now you go to Claude.ai, and when you go to Claude.ai, you create your account, you'll be greeted with this particular screen. And the first thing that we need to do, first of all, you see that I'm in the free plan here. So the first thing we need to do, first of all, is to come to the left panel. Here you will see Customize. You click on Customize. It opens up a new window for you where you have scale, connectors, but we are most concerned about connect your apps, right? So you click on Connect Your Apps. Once you click on Connect Your Apps, you see it has like some of the partners that Anthropic, which is the company that has Claude, have partnered with, so that you can have seamless AI integration in most of these platforms. Now what we're going to do is click at the top search bar and search for Canva. And when we search for Canva, you can see that Canva comes right up. You just click on the plus icon here to add Canva. So it tells you complete the sign up step, blah, blah, blah. It will now reload and you see your Canva account. You just click allow and yes for any options that they show you. So you click on allow. It says authorization successful. It takes me back to Claude. So if you see at the top right here, it says connected to Canva. Now we have our Canva connected. So now how do we use it, right? First of all, let us go to, somewhere to get like inspiration for our designs. Let's see, Pinterest.com. When we go to Pinterest.com, we can see some of the designs that we want to model our own designs after, right? So we just come here and search. So probably maybe your company is your company is a bead making company. You just write bead making flyer design. Once you write bead making flyer design, it gives you, a couple of design, right? So one thing we need to understand again is that Canva or AI are just tools, right? Your creativity still needs to speak. That's one thing I need to get out here, right? So we just look for any of the designs that we see here and we feel that would be nice. Okay, let's search. Okay, so let's use this. So we'll click on this. Network. And you can see the design here. Let's take this and then we download the image, right? After downloading the image, what you need to do is, come over to Claude and then you open your charts, right? It's either you open your charts or it's either you come here to get a new chart or you click on charts and then you come here and then you see new charts, right? So what we want to do is upload our design and tell Claude to analyze the design, right? And then let us know how it can do it. So just follow me as we go through this process, right? So click on the plus icon, add file, and then we come to downloads, upload our file. Then we wait for it to upload. That's uploaded. Then we say analyze this design and give me a prompt to give another. Let's take it that so we say analyze the design and give me a prompt to give to an AI to create this design. Now we'll just click enter and it does its work. So now we can see that it's now giving us a detailed design. Now why it's giving us this detailed design here is that, right, it now gives you a way whereby this particular AI can now help you. Now you see that on your own you would not have known that, okay, it should tell you to create a professional business flyer for this and this and this. But what it gives you is a detailed prompt that you can use for your own business. So what we are going to do is we are just going to copy this, right? We'll copy it, Ctrl C. We'll paste it back into the chat. But now we want it to design our own for us. So what we are going to do is, remember we've connected Canva in the first place. So what we are going to do is type Canva and then we put a column, post space, and then we paste that particular prompt that it has given to us, right? So what we are going to do is, it says here, create a professional business flyer for a bead jewelry shop called Cook's Trend Palo Beads Palo. Let's take, for example, ours is Victor's Beads. The flyer has a warm, earthy color palette dominated by brown. So let us change our own color palette, right? So we'll still stick with the warm, earthy color palette, but we are going for green. Let's replace the cream / off-white with, let's say, white, and gold tones. Then we have all these other so I'm just going to speed up the video where I change everything, not all exactly, but I'll just do what I can so that we can just see and learn from it. Alright guys, I've done some changes to an extent, right? And what we're going to do now is just tell it to create this particular design and watch what it's going to do. So we've given it the prompt that it has generated for us. And you can see that Canva is working in the background, right? So what it normally does is that it gives us 4 different designs that we can choose from and then go ahead to edit in Canva, which is actually mind-blowing. So let's see what it comes up with. Mind you, you might want to feed it with images, right? That you want, your own personal images. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I don't want it to be long, but you might feed it with images, with your details, essentially your logo design, essentially anything that you want it to actually reproduce for you, right? So now we can see the designs that it has generated for us, right? So you see we have Victor's style, big designs, we have this one. It has given us 4 different designs, right? So what we just need to do, you can see that it has told us here that which of the designs do we want, blah blah blah. So it has given us 4 designs, and I can tell you that, okay, I like design number 4, but change the the arrangement, the resolution of the design. Let's try that and see. I like design 4, but change the resolution to 1350 by 1080 pixels and make it in a portrait orientation. So it's working, it's creating the design, right? Let's see if it actually creates that particular, design for us. Okay, so I think it's done doing that. We can just say resize design and then we allow it. So from here, you can actually work on your Canva designs on Canva without being on Canva, right? To, do specific things. You might not know your way around Canva that much, but from here, you can prompt it with normal, simple English, and it will be able to, give you what you want. So it says your design is ready, blah, 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 blah. So it's now giving us a link for us to preview, right? So you can see here, it says you can edit it here. Let me know if you have further adjustments. So what we want to do now is click on the edit, and then it shows us a Canva link, and then we open the link. Once we open the link, you can see that everything that we've prompted AI to do has reflected in our Canva design or in our Canva platform, our profile, whatever you want to call it. All right, so again, like I said, it is just a tool. That is why it is, doing what it can do. But basically, why this is important and why this is fascinating is that you can edit each and every one of the elements in Canva. Now watch what I'm going to do. You see Victor's style is editable. You see the images are editable. You see these are editable. So I can just click on this, make some edits on it, drag them up. Basically expand the design by myself, right? Take this here. Then I can take this also. Increase the size of this. Increase the size of this. Just the normal, and you can see that the WhatsApp icon is not, it has not represented it very well, right? So essentially we can just change the line spacing, right? So we have two dealers in. We can remove one, take this one, and just put here. And with that, we can have like a design that we can call our own. Instead of starting from scratch, you have something that you can actually do for yourself, right? So if you found this video useful, again and again, please like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.